Hey gays, this is my first video and I'm not using my voice because I had seizure while trying to create this video. My friend told me that carbon monoxide is really good for boosting performance in games. Sorry for my scream. Anyways, so I broke a pipe in my kitchen and rerouted it to my room for gas. I asked my pet Rock 2 for his opinion, but he was speechless from all the sawdust and noises I had to do while trying to reroute the pipe. I think he likes the idea, so I brought him with me. He's so cute, isn't he? I'm gonna ace this because I am the best mobile volleyball legends player. I see. But I'm going to spike spam like every other person in this game to score. You see that? I don't know about you guys, but for some reason this game has been having 2 balls instead of 1 when I set. It's really annoying. They didn't see that coming. I'm feeling a bit dizzy, but I think my skills are improving already. What you say? I think we'll be fine. My muscles are pumping up and my breath is getting heavier. I can feel the adrenaline running through my veins. Man, this gas is really getting to me.